Bunny foo foo. I first made this way back in 2012, and I've been making it for a long time now because it's so good. And I was at Riomaggiore, and I went to the little butcher shop, and there was rabbit in their butcher shop. Well, I got to make something with that. Let's check it out. Balsamic reduction. Rachel Ray. Black pepper. A ciabatta for the bread. Parsley. A shallot. A tomato. A carrot, because the rabbit eats carrot. Oh, I don't want it. I don't have a head. When you buy a rabbit in Italy, they always leave the head on. Back in the olden days, they would often try to pawn off a cat as a rabbit. When you see the rabbit with the head on, you know it's not a cat. We got celery. I got some olives with some capers. I already chopped them up. I cut up and chunked some pancetta. I've got some anchovies. I got some garlic. Oh, remember that piece of Parmesan rind I told you to save? I've got sea salt. I've got a limon, chili flakes, and fennel seed, bay leaf, basilico, di Cornelio. Or is it a cat? We don't know because it doesn't have the head on it. Oh, boo boo, your friends are barking at you. He's gonna get them. Watch this. Let's go see this. Look at that stealthy killer. Boo boo, you're a hitman. The other night I was watching TV. Lo and behold, here comes this commercial, right? And it's like, I got this knife for Christmas and I thought it was weird, so I threw it in the drawer. And then I pulled it out and used it, and I was like, holy smokes. So then I bought a whole bunch of them for all my friends. And then I thought, well, that's funny. I got that same knife 2 Christmases ago. And well, I'm going to use it for the first time on Foo Foo Bunny. So let's check it out.
Brock this, bunny.
That was close. It is the Huusk from Japan. Let's open this up. Whoa! Cool finger hole in there. So I'm going to start with Foo Foo Bunny's legs. I'm going to get in here. Whoa, that is pretty good. Hot dang. It's right through the bones like butter. Not quite. Aha, there we go. Look at that. Find his little joint in there. There it is. Oh, I'm not using the finger hole. That's why it's not working. Look at that. See? You have to use the finger hole. And then over here, oh, put your finger in the finger hole and boom, look at that. Oh, it's got a kidney in there. Oh, look, he gave up one kidney for Boo Boo in a cheap Tijuana hotel. Woke up in a bathtub full of ice. Give him a little choppy chop. Another one here. Like that. Maybe one more. Right there. That is amazing. There it is. Use the finger hole. Let's put a little bit of pepper and some sea salt. Flip over my Foo Foo Bunny. Hey, come back here, you kidney. And put that pepper on. A little more sea salt. That's the king size Silga Technica. Abundant olive oil. Pancreas. It's time for a little bit of Prosecco. What are we drinking? What are we cooking Bunny Foo Foo in? Lumina by Rufino. Millisamento. Oh, 2022. And there we go.
Where's my basket, rabbit?
Bunny Foo Foo. What happened to you? I'm getting cooked. That's what happened to me. That guy shot me, and now I'm in the pan. Meanwhile, back on the ranch. That's good. You're getting browned, Bunny Foo Foo. I got shot and they put me in a pan. We're gonna pull Bunny Foo Foo out. This off. Don't forget to put your finger in the hole. You have to finger your husk. I don't know. It doesn't cut as good as a chef knife for this kind of stuff. This is not a chef knife. The husk works well for cutting up meat, but not for dicing vegetables. You want to do some vegetables. Let's switch knives. This. Oh, that's much better. The Germans know how to make this chef knife. You know, I'm really sorry that I didn't cut those green olives for you guys, because I know you guys really wanted to see that. But you get to see me cut up some celery and carrot. The shallot. Get out of there. Oh, look at that. Takes the peel off. Get the peel off. One of these days, I'm going to make a trucker mix. It's going to have like, rolling on empty. Oh, can I sing that? I don't think I have the rights to sing that. As the French would say, très magnifique. Oh, we need some garlic. Oh, my watch came off. Give him a peel. Get out of here. bastard. Remember I told you to cut those pieces off so they don't end up in your food. We're gonna save one for the bread. So that one over there. Pancetta in. Oh, it's my favorite spoon. While the pancetta is going, let's put in the vegetable. Boing, boing. Mmm. Nummy. Oh, don't burn my rabbit ears. One of my 15 subscribers is going to want to watch me cut up a tomato. Tomato. Get out of here, you bastard. Bastard. That one. Oh my goodness. Look at that tomato. Fennel. Chili flakes. In. Sound like Gordon Ramsay, huh? Fennel. Chili flakes. In. Grind. Pour. Give it a little stir. Bay leaves. 3. Anchovies. Fish lips. Olives. Capers. Stir it around. That smells amazing. Wait till you put bunny fufu back in there. Lemon zest. Tomatoes. Give it a little stirry, stirry. Basil. Just give them a tear. Don't cut them. There's no shiffier nut than this one. Parsley. Give it a nice stir. Balsamic reduction. We love Rachel Ray. Lemon juice. Wait a minute. We didn't see you cut the lemon. Oh, how many times do you guys want to see me cut a lemon? I think I saw a seed go in there. The Parmigiano Reggiano. You want a lot of Prosecco in here. Oh my goodness, that doesn't leave me very much more to drink. And finally, Bunny Fufu goes back in. I love you, Bunny Fufu. I hope he brings me an Easter basket. He probably won't now because he's dead. Spread him out. All of Bunny Fufu's juice. Oh, in his pancreas. I think that's a kidney, actually. Put the lid on. Bunny Fufu needs to cook for at least 45 minutes. Then we're gonna flip them over, mix them up a little bit, cook them for about another half hour. Piccolo Coniglio, little rabbit. Stir them up, move them around. And, let's see what it looks like in there. Whoa, let that steam die down. Holy moly. Holy smokes. That looks really good. Needs a little more moisture, so I'm going to pour in a little water. Put the lid back on. Okay, it's going to make our own Easter treats. I'll find them later when I mow the lawn. Okay, you're going to make Daddy Easter treats to find on the lawn? Oh, I think that's a yes. Hello, Cornelio. Let's check on him and see what he looks like. It's back because of the steam. Ooh, go back. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. Nice and tender little Fufu Bunny. Let's pull Fufu Bunny off of the flame. And I'm going to grab this, that on there, add a little bit of olive oil. Oh yeah, while Fufu Bunny was finishing, I cleaned up the whole area here. Doesn't that look nice? And we got our ciabatta, and I got a little beautiful piece of basil. What's that one doing in there? And we got this to rub on our bread. Let's take the ciabatta and we'll put it here. Sit down in the oil. What are you doing over there? Oh, I'm toasting some ciabatta. That's what I'm doing over here. What are you doing over there? Waiting for my boo-boo ragu for Kaya too. Look at that. Toasty, toasty. Let's give him a little cut. Give him a little rub. Rubby dub dub. Garlic on your bread. Thought I was going to say something else, didn't you? Oh, look at that. Stunt basil. Yummy. A double yummy. Oh, that's so good. You can't have it. It has little bones and onions and garlic. You can't have it. So tender. Mmm. It just falls off the bone. Bone. You guys have no idea how good this is. But you will if you make it. And this sauce on the bread. Mmm. Bunny Fufu in Gucci sunglasses. Bunny Fufu, Bunny Fufu.